What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video. You've seen many accessory videos from me, and one of those accessories that I did buy prior to me getting the vehicle off of Amazon was puddle lights. Well, I've had some issues with the ones that I have. I don't think they were that cheap. If so, I'll put it up in the price that I paid for them and the company that I did use. But one thing, on the driver's side, that puddle light is turning green. I have no idea how it happened, but it's green. And on the passenger side, this is the one I had the most problems with. It is turned whatever way than the correct way. I don't even know how to explain it. I've tried to take it out, make sure I turn it the right way, and it looked good for a while, but then it went back to the way it was, which was really weird. If anybody can tell me how this happened when it's literally stationary in the car door, maybe the bulb is loose, but once I did change it and tried to correct it, it went right back and it never changes that position. What I did was buy some new ones off Amazon, did a little bit of research. Now I'm gonna make this video for you. Let's get into it. It comes in a very nice box, and opening up the box, you will see a little tiny brochure that shows some of their products. Also, you will see the actual puddle lights, which I will show you later. Also, it comes with a flathead little mini screwdriver. Now let's look at the actual puddle lights. It does identify left and right door, so you don't get them mixed up, which is a plus. So now what I want to show you is me just installing it. I'll speed up a little part of it, but it is very easy to install. It did not take long at all. You will see once I do connect the new puddle light cable to the car, I'm checking to make sure that the light is in the right place. Please make sure you do that, because once you install it, you don't want to have to take it back out and risk breaking your new puddle light. These are the old puddle lights that I took out of the driver's side and the passenger side door. Let me know, it kind of seems like one of those lights, the one that was showing green, it looked like it was almost blown. It had a little black in it. Maybe I'm crazy. Just let me know. So that was pretty much it on this video. I wanted to really share that experience just in case someone has a Tesla or any other vehicle and they install aftermarket puddle lights. Just try to look and make sure you get the best quality. So now you want to see how the lights look? Well, here you go. I'll see you in the next video.